Hi, third actor. This is your friendly third act Google Docs coach, and this is a video about how to create a new document. So, you're in My Drive, and there's a tab right here on the left that says New. Click on New, and I want to create a Google Doc, so I'm going to click on Google Doc. The doc is here. It's blank. The first thing I want to do is click a title. How to create a Google Doc. And I can tap Enter. And this Google Doc is now saved to my drive. I can come down here and I can start typing. This is how to create a new doc. And people, third actors, that's as easy as it is. Hope you'll have fun getting started and that this helps.